So you don't get left to the dock this Memorial Day weekend. We're going to show you how quick you can set up the Cobalt R6 Surf system. You're going to click Home, Layouts, Surf Control. It brings you to the surf screen. The boat comes with 2 factory presets, Mellow and Steep. If you want to save your own preset, you can click the button Save after you've adjusted your wave over on the left-hand side, type in the name of it, and you can set a preset for anybody that you have in your family or party surfing. Next, you'll want to click the speed control button. What that does is that allows you to set your cruise control that you can throw the throttle all the way down and it'll only take you to that set speed. You just click the button up and down. I usually surfed about 10.8 to 10.6. That throws a good steep wave with a lot of push. You can go all the way up to whatever speed you want it to. Over here, you have your ballast controls. You click Fill, and it fills up this boat's hard tank. So this boat's equipped with hard tanks, unlike soft bags that are susceptible to popping and also take up some of your storage space, something very unique. Other awesome feature of this boat is it's equipped with the surf gate technology, and that's just controlled with a surf left or surf right button, and it deploys the surf gate in just seconds and gets your surfer up on a nice crisp wave. And it's just that easy on the Cobalt R6.